Hi everyone, welcome to this new unboxing. I'm going to do the unboxing of Mustang Composite. This is my first new composite Mustang. It's a very nice box, very safe, very strong cardboard, very nice. Okay, take a look. Let's take a look of the inside first. Right, here we have all very well packaged. Right, spinner, fuselage. We're going to see this one in detail in a moment. All right, let's go back and let's take a look. All right, here we have accessories. And these one are the landing gear covers, right? The internal covers, really nice. Well, nice plastic, nice paint. And this must be for, yeah, the other part that goes to the fuselage. Yeah, with the servo for the actuator for each of these covers. Nice. Okay. We have something loose here. Oh, the pilot. Well, this looks definitely like the FMS 1700 millimeter wingspan Mustang. This is a little bit, only 3 centimeters bigger than that one. The only difference of this one is completely composite, right? The fuselage composite. What then we have here? Okay, a very small fuel tank, probably 400 cc's, 300 cc's, 350, too small. We have the engine mount, very typical of these models. Straps. Hardware. Oh, nice. They have a metal ball link control rods, right? And carbon fiber or glass fiber control horns, and of course the quite sticky plastic nylon for maybe for the wings or the cockpit. But we're going to replace all that for the more reliable ones. All right. It seems I made a small mistake here because I thought the plane was coming just without the spinner, so I ordered the spinner separately, but it seems the plane, although the description says no propeller, no spinner, everything, but it seems the spinner was already included, right? So, well, at least I have a extra spinner just in case. Always exciting to open up a Mustang, right? Inside, nice and big fuselage. To tell the truth, I was expecting a old crow, right? But I received a ferocious Frankie. Okay, never mind. Both are nice, but definitely I was expecting a old crow. But never mind. This is good. I always have a favorite plane with the old crow. And let me see. Supposedly this one is supposed to be openable. Right? I don't know. This one or what? Okay, never mind. Okay. This is all fiberglass. Right, no carbon fiber, very light bulkheads, nice complete cockpit, but the cockpit cannot open. It was supposed to be able to open, but no, cannot be open because it looks glued here, but in the picture it looked that we could open it. It's a little bit disappointing actually, because how I'm going to put the pilot inside. Okay, this is the insides. Very big space for batteries, receivers, and all the servos. We have installed elevator push rod, right? Aluminum, metal, and here is split in two with the, let me show you, with the ball links already attached and prepared. And for the rudder, it seems this is a pull system, right? And here we have the doors for the landing gear. According to them, this comes with already with the steering servo, and I assume with the rear track over there. Let's see. I'm getting scared. I'm scared. Okay, here we can see the cowling. It's really nice. You can see the holes, scale, all the disused fasteners, right? Actually, I was expecting more rivets along the body. The radiator, the oil cooler scope is closed, but could be open. There's an opening here, but it's blocked by this thing. The wheel wells, dark green, should be chromate green, but this is dark green. This comes prepared for a DLE 20cc, so that's why you have the exhaust holes already prepared here. The mouth is not so nice, right? Because Mustang has a very characteristic mouth. Should be more rounded. In the profile should be more rounded, but it can be fixed. And inside you can see the firewall, and later we are going to check how resisting is this one for the engine I'm planning to use. I'm planning to use a 26cc engine on this one, because I already saw that engine in another similar Mustang. I'm still a little bit not really happy with this one, because according to them this one should be able to open, right? Let's see, maybe I can do some modification or something like that, but it seems that this here is glued. Right. Alright, now let's go to the other big part of the wings. Alright, nice. Printed panel lines, printed rivets, not so many, just a few of them. The guns are well, good enough. At least they have 3. This one is too long, maybe. It can be adjusted lately. You can just cut off one of them to make it more scale. The wheel is nice. Scale is probably a 4.5 inch wheel. 4 inch wheel. It comes with electronic retracts. You can see here. Here is the retract cable. It's all metal. Before it was plastic. Before I think they were using more or less the same retract than the FMS 1.7 meters. Right. All right. The good thing about this one, no, it's not. This is another version. Okay, never mind. We have the flaps, right, and the aileron. We have the covers for both. Covers are here, right, and this is a quite awful servo exit, so most probably we'll have to 3D print something better on this one, because the servo cover is too big. I mean, it makes no sense. Alright, we have 2 holes here, and this is for the bomb jack. Right. I'm a little bit confused about the flap, because in the pictures it looks more scale than this one. Right, this is the wing is the same, so no surprise there. What we have here. Elevator, really nice, because it has the profile. It has it's not a flat elevator. It has the elevator itself is nice, look very scale, and you have a rudder, also nice, because it has the rounded part, the profile, and the hinging. The hinging looks really nice. The hinges come already pre-glued. We have only this one for firewall reinforcement, some other reinforcement, one Torx key. Carbon fiber, or I would say, let's see, yeah, carbon fiber wing tube, and this must be the elevator tubes, and 2 control rods. Well, that's it. That's everything about the Mustang 1.730 millimeters. So it's 1 meter, 1.73. Right. It comes for a 20cc engine. I'm going to put a 26cc engine. They saw that I can hold this plane very easily. I'm still a little bit disappointed that it's not the all crow, but Ferocious Frankie is also one of my favorites. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I will later be showing the engine, part of the assembly, and very soon the maiden flight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you soon.